Hey guys, welcome to Keertana Cooks. Today let's see how to make a tasty and healthy quinoa fried rice. For all those health conscious people out there who are looking to cut down on rice, this recipe is a must try. Without further ado, let's get started. To a pan, we'll add a tablespoon of oil and 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic, 1 sliced green chili, 2 tablespoons of chopped onion. Let's saute the onions and garlic nicely. I have taken around 300 grams of paneer. Let's add the paneer into the pan. You can also replace the paneer with tofu. Let's cook the paneer nicely until it turns a little bit golden brown. Let's flip the paneer and cook until it turns brown all the sides. This gives a chewy texture to the paneer. Now I'm adding finely chopped bell peppers, green and red, and finely chopped cabbage, a tablespoon of soy sauce, half tablespoon of chili paste. Adding in half a tablespoon of sweet chili sauce. You can also replace the sweet chili sauce with the normal spicy chili sauce if you prefer it to be really spicy. Now let's saute the vegetables and the paneer with the sauces. I'm adding the required amount of salt here. Normally when I decide to make quinoa fried rice, I usually cook the quinoa the previous night and put it in the refrigerator. So next day the quinoa becomes nice separated and nice and fluffy. I cook the quinoa based on the package instructions. It is usually 1 cup of quinoa to 2 cups of water. Now let's add the quinoa to the vegetables and the paneer and let's mix it nicely. We want the quinoa to be coated with the sauces nicely. So let's turn the flame really high and let's toss the quinoa with the vegetables and the sauces. It looks like our quinoa has soaked in all the sauces and it looks beautiful. Our fried rice is almost ready. One final toss and we can garnish the fried rice. I'm adding a tablespoon of finely chopped spring onions here. And we are going to add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. You can also replace it with chili vinegar. Our delicious and protein-packed fried rice is now ready. Hope you guys like it. Thanks for watching. If you like this recipe, please share and subscribe to my channel Keertana Cooks and click the bell icon for instant notifications.